Linking your bank account to YouTube Music allows you to manage subscriptions and make purchases easily. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open YouTube Music. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device or visit the YouTube Music website on your browser. Step 2. Sign in. If you are not already signed in, click on the sign in button and enter a Google account credential associated with your YouTube Music account. Step 3. Access settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 4. Go to Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on it to view your current payment options and to add a new one. Step 5. Add Bank Account. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose Bank Account and follow the prompts to enter your bank details securely. Confirm and save your changes. Now your bank account is linked to YouTube Music, making it easier to manage your subscriptions and purchases. Enjoy your music experience.